Do you know what an X space is? An X space is like a virtual room or space where users can exchange opinions on a specific topic. Simply put, we can consider them virtual themed meetings because they happen at a predefined time. In this video, you will learn how to create your own space and invite others to join you. Stay until the end of the video for more details. Now, let's move on to the process. Open the X app on your phone. Then press the plus button in the bottom right corner. Select the Spaces button. And here, I start creating your space. In the What do you want to talk about field, enter the text related to the topic of the space. I will put summer holiday. In addition, you can add topics. Click on Add Topics. Here are the most popular topics. You can select up to 3 topics. Click on the desired topic. It will open areas where you can more clearly define what interests you about that topic. In my example of food, you see that you have areas such as food, veganism, cooking, vegetarianism, fast food, and similar. Select the area you want and save it by clicking the Save button. You can repeat the process and add more topics. If you want your space to be recorded, activate the Record Space option by clicking the toggle button next to it. The recording can be shared later with people who missed the space. Press the Got It button to close the window. In addition, it is possible to allow incognito participation. If you want that, press the toggle button next to Allow Incognito. Now, I will schedule the space. Click on the clock icon next to the Start Your Space button. If you want to receive a notification when the space starts, be sure to enable notifications. Now click on the first button and set the date. After that, click OK. Then set the time by clicking on the second button. Select the desired time and save it by clicking OK. When you have entered the date and time for the start of the space, press the Next button. And your space will be scheduled. If you want to notify others about your space, you can invite them. By clicking on the first icon at the bottom of the screen, you can share an invitation to join your space. In addition, you can copy the link and send it via another network. And by clicking the button in the bottom right corner, you can directly send the link through another app. And that would be all for this tutorial. See you soon with new tricks and tips. Follow the channel if you liked the video.